What's up YouTube? Today we're back with another banger video, and I have the website for Torture open, so go check it out. This is the windbreaker. I also got tote bags and other accessories up. But today, that's not the point of this video. This video is, we'll be installing Fender badges on the 15 WRX sent from JXR Performance. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install these. These also come in different colorways. I just happened to get black and white because that's what I thought would look good on the build. I'll post the other ones on the screen. Also, JXR Performance also makes other stuff for BRZs, FRS, 86, all the WRXs, and even the Foresters. So if you want to see that, I'll put it on the screen with all the stuff they have. Rain guards, lips. How should I go about this? I guess step one would be get a trim tool. I'm going to use a mini pry bar because I don't care about my paint. You'd probably have a better chance of heating this up and getting all the adhesive loose. I have adhesive cleaner right here, so I guess I could put this on first.
Shout out 3M.
Yeah, 3M, sponsor me. Let that soak for a second. Look how easy that comes off. Oh my God, no way. All right, now that it came off, I'm gonna use an eraser wheel. I don't know where I got this from. I just had it laying around and my impact. This doesn't go like this, but this is how I'm gonna do it. My paint's already fucked. As you can see, I had an accident from the tornado. Tree fell on my car, so that's sick.
It's been me and only me. Don't be focused on my serious, how you bleed. I be fucking all them sense of Macadine. I just pop a trim out all I feel like me. I can't talk no more, just see it how it be. I just fucked the bitch and told her she gon' leave. Got no love for no one.
I just gotta be careful on the next one that I don't pull the paint off. But subtle details. Oh, it came out though. No problem.
It's like the plastic razor wants to work, but it's made out of plastic instead of like a real razor, so it sucks. There she is.
The other one didn't
The other
snap
one
like
did
that.
not pop in like that. Might have to figure that bitch out later.
New Fender badges on the 15 WRX.
New is better.
Again, don't forget to go shop the Torture TM, torture.team. Go get you windbreaker, tote bag. I even got other stuffs, poker cards. What else I got on there?
He's got some puzzles. He's got a water bottle. He's got a bunch of other cool stuff. You already know. I think there's also, what is it, a fuck.
Oh yeah, pet hoodie.
That's how life goes. I keep it back on me, ball out like an athlete. I'll be proud of me, double cups with a Hennessy. Touch me like OMG, got it singing like Jodeci. Keep it like close to me, bust down on the Jesus piece. I do not answer phones, I'd rather be alone. Bitch, my heart just done. My clear two-tone, I'll pop an another one. You want the other one. Why you gotta run? I thought you was the one. I pop a bean. Got loaded paper in love with the green. Know what I mean? Shawty keep tripping, she act like a fiend.